The internet is vast. It is an intricate and expansive network that connects people, places, and things across the globe. It connects billions of devices. From the smallest sensors to the largest servers, the internet is the backbone of modern communication. Computers, smartphones, and even refrigerators can be online. These devices communicate with each other, making our lives more convenient and interconnected. Think of it as a giant web. This web is made up of countless nodes, each representing a device or a server. Each device is a point on this web. They are all connected. This connectivity allows for the seamless transfer of data and information. This web spans the globe. No matter where you are, as long as you have an internet connection, you can access this vast network. It allows us to communicate instantly. Whether through video calls, instant messaging, or social media, the internet bridges distances and brings people closer together. We can share information with anyone, anywhere. This instant sharing of information has transformed how we interact and stay informed. The internet has revolutionized our world. From its humble beginnings to the sophisticated network it is today, the internet has driven innovation and progress. It has changed how we live, work, and play. Remote work, online gaming, and streaming services are just a few examples of how the internet has integrated into our daily lives, making the world more connected and accessible. When you send an email, it doesn't travel as one piece. Instead, it undergoes a fascinating process. It's broken down into smaller pieces called packets. These packets are like tiny fragments of your email, each carrying a part of the whole message. Think of it like sending a letter. Just as you wouldn't send an entire book in one go, your email is divided into manageable chunks. You wouldn't send a whole book in one envelope. Instead, you would break it down into individual pages or chapters, each placed in its own envelope. You would divide it into pages and mail them separately. Each packet or page travels independently. They take different routes through the network, just like letters might take different paths through the postal system. Once they arrive at their destination, they are reassembled. The packets come together to form the complete email, just as the pages of a book would be put back together. This ensures that your data arrives correctly and efficiently. The process is designed to be robust, so even if some packets take longer or get delayed, the system can handle it. The network uses error checking and correction mechanisms to ensure that all packets are accounted for and correctly reassembled. This way, your email arrives intact, just as you intended. So, the next time you send an email, remember the journey it takes. From being broken down into packets to traveling across the network and finally being reassembled, it's a complex yet efficient process that makes modern communication possible. Servers are like libraries of information. They store websites, emails, and other data. Every device on the internet has a unique address called an IP address. Think of it like a phone number for your computer. When you type in a website address, your computer uses the IP address to find the correct server. The server then sends the requested information back to your device. Internet service providers, or ISPs, are the companies that provide internet access. Think of them as the mail carriers of the digital world. They connect your home or office to the wider internet. Routers are like traffic directors. They manage the flow of data within your home network. They ensure that the right information gets to the right device. Connecting the globe undersea cables and satellites. Most of the internet's data travels through undersea cables. These cables are laid on the ocean floor. They connect continents and countries. Satellites also play a role in internet connectivity. They provide access to remote areas. These cables and satellites are marvels of engineering. They allow us to communicate with anyone, anywhere in the world. Cybersecurity, protecting the digital realm. As the internet grows, so do the threats. Cybersecurity is crucial for protecting our data and privacy. It's like locking your doors and windows in the digital world. We must be vigilant against viruses, malware, and hackers. Strong passwords, secure websites, and cautious online behavior are essential. The future of the internet, a universe of possibilities. Imagine a world where every device is interconnected, where data flows seamlessly, and where technology enhances every aspect of our lives. This is not just a dream, it's becoming our reality. The internet is constantly evolving. From the early days of dial-up connections to the high-speed fiber optics of today, the internet has transformed the way we communicate, work, and live. Data centers, the backbone of the internet, are becoming more advanced, ensuring faster and more reliable connections. New technologies are emerging all the time. Engineers and scientists are at the forefront of this revolution, developing cutting-edge innovations that push the boundaries of what's possible. From robotics to quantum computing, the pace of technological advancement is accelerating. The future holds exciting possibilities. Artificial intelligence, virtual reality, and augmented reality are transforming the way we interact with the digital world. AI is making devices smarter, VR is creating immersive experiences, and AR is blending the digital and physical worlds in ways we never thought possible. The Internet of Things is just one example of how interconnected our world is becoming. Smart home devices, wearable technology, and connected cars are all part of this vast network, communicating with each other to make our lives more convenient and efficient. The Internet will continue to shape our lives in profound ways. From the way we shop to the way we learn, the Internet is an integral part of our daily routines. Families are using multiple smart devices to stay connected, manage their homes, and entertain themselves. It's a tool that we can use for good or for bad. While the Internet offers incredible opportunities, it also presents challenges. Cybersecurity threats, privacy concerns, and the digital divide are issues that we must address. The choices we make today will determine the future of the Internet. The choices we make today will determine the future of the Internet. As we navigate this digital landscape, it's up to us to ensure that the Internet remains a force for good. By fostering innovation, promoting digital literacy, and addressing ethical concerns, we can create a future where technology benefits everyone. The universe of possibilities is vast and it's ours to explore. The Internet's enduring impact. The Internet has transformed our world in countless ways. It has connected us, informed us, and empowered us. As we continue to explore its potential, we must remember its power and responsibility. The Internet is a tool that can be used for great good. It can educate, inspire, and connect people across borders. Let us use it wisely to create a better future for all.